Now that it's on the stand and in proper position and everything, I'm probably going to take it all the way down to a long block. And then I'm going to strip off all the components and roll it outside and engine degreaser everything. And I think that'd be a good place to start. Get it nice and clean. Is this, wow. My car came with a free gear wrench. This wrench was stuck in the motor, in the intake.
In the intake?
It was like, just resting in there. Cool. Free gear wrench. That may be going back on, but right now, I just want to take it off so I can get it cleaned up. So I think I've pretty much got it stripped down to where I want it right now. I'm leaving headers on and I'm leaving intake on for the time being until I get it washed off, because I don't want to have to seal all of those surfaces. And then I'm leaving the alternator on, the gigantic water-cooled alternator, just because there's no sense in holding that, and I pulled off oil cooler lines as well. I got a few more things. I am going to pull coil packs, and I think that's about it. I know I just said that I'm not taking off the intake, but I decided against it on account of I have a feeling it's going to be filthy under here, and I forgot a bolt. Alright, now, oh yep, that's way easier. My apologies to the EPA. So we're going to try two different kinds of gunk. One's the heavy duty gel. One's the spray bottle, because I broke it in the store. So we're going to try this. See how it goes. So you're probably wondering, what's the plans for this? Why did I take apart a perfectly good S600 Mercedes and strip down the engine to basically a long block? And the answer is I want to do an engine swap, but in my normal fashion, I don't want to do a normal engine swap. I don't want to do something, I don't want to put an LS in something like everybody else does. No offense to everybody else. I want to do something weird. That's why this is going in a C3 Corvette. I have a 73 C3 Corvette hopefully coming in here pretty soon. It's also going to get a few things done while it's sitting out here on the stand. You guys mentioned that you wanted to see me do more of the CAD work, so this is going to get us full set of individual throttle bodies and of course custom headers that are going to get dropped in to get that very, very good M137 straight piped V12 sound. Essentially, I want to build a long distance GT car. I want to build something fast, and I want something that I can toss the suitcases in and go from here to Vegas very, very quickly. So basically, this is going in a Corvette. I'm going to do up individual throttle bodies hopefully this week, and it's going to get a few more things done to the motor. The other thing about this is that it's going to need a transmission. Now, I could do things the simple way, grab the 5-speed out of the Benz, the automatic, because it's not a bad transmission, and put it behind this and everything goes as normal, but that's boring and I don't know, I don't want an automatic. So I'm going to source a 5-speed or 6-speed, and I'm going to have to build a bell housing and adapt a clutch and a flywheel and everything to the back of this Mercedes motor. And it should be fairly interesting. So 6-speed V12 swapped C3 Corvette is coming soon. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Alright, that's all for this video. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for what happens next on this. I am going to go take a shower. I am completely soaked.